Hi guys, welcome to Greenbelt. One of the really special things about Greenbelt is we've now advanced past the beginner rank. So you're no longer a beginner, this is intermediate rank, so the techniques are going to be a little bit more difficult. There's going to be more challenge to it. For instance, in your page, it's the same page pattern that we've been following for our other pages, but you're going to have a different combo in each direction. So that's going to be more memorization. And then the certain part of the form where you actually have to walk backwards, you still have to be accurate with your feet.
And it's the challenging parts that I think is what makes it fun. This belt rank, your kicks aren't that much different than purple belt. Your kicks at this belt rank are pretty easy. But then in the Hapkido, you have to learn 10 different attacking joints, which is cool because you get to see the original source of Hapkido, which is Jiu-Jitsu. Not a lot of people realize originally Hapkido, before it was called Hapkido, was called Yawara. Yawara is a specific list from the original Japanese Jiu-Jitsu that's all about controlling the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder. So while in the beginning it's going to seem a little bit more complicated, a bunch of brand new stuff you haven't played with before, these techniques are going to be used in every belt rank after this.
Filling up your toolbox there. And then for our weapons, it's 24 count. It's our 24 angles of strikes. We learn that with the stick, but then you're also going to see how that'll apply to any weapon, even empty hand.
And you mentioned the toolbox. That's really what you're going to start seeing at this green belt is all these tools we have in the toolbox. While a screwdriver is nice, there's a lot of different things you can use a screwdriver for besides just driving in a screw. If you need a hammer and a nail, you really need a hammer. If you're going to build something with that hammer and nail and screwdriver, you're going to need a saw. And you're going to have to know how to use all of these different tools to be able to build something.
Not only to keep yourself safe, but to keep others safe. And that applies to our martial arts as well.
And these are all just different tools you're going to find that will be useful in different situations that you'll one day find that was very handy to know that.
And any really good craftsman only needs a handful of tools to build whatever he needs, especially when he knows how to use those tools well.
So let's take a look at the tools you'll be picking up at Greenbelt.